Are you tired of constant power outages disrupting your life and business? At Prodigy Exclusive Company, we provide reliable solar and traditional battery solutions that keep your home and office running smoothly, no matter the power situation. Today, we are proud to showcase one of our latest installations at Lekki Gardens Phase 5, Oja, Lagos. Right after Ibrahim Adesanya, we installed a complete solar power setup alongside a traditional battery system for optimal performance and flexibility. Our skilled team of professionals ensures that every system is custom-built to meet your specific needs, offering clean energy solutions that are both efficient and cost-effective. No more worries about high fuel costs or unstable electricity supply. We make power independence easy. From initial consultation, through system design to full installation, we handle it all with precision and professionalism. Whether you're looking for a solar generator or a traditional battery setup, Prodigy Exclusive Company guarantees seamless, long-lasting solutions that you can count on. We cover every part of Lagos and beyond. So, take control of your energy today. Join the hundreds of satisfied customers enjoying 24/7 power with our expert services. Call us now at 0912-441-8659 or visit our social media platforms at Prodigy Exclusive Company on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube to book your free consultation.